As an artist, I want to embrace the time I live in, and technology is opening up new potential that hasn't yet been explored. So naturally, I want to see what is possible. It becomes my palette. I'm always searching for ways to reshape our experience in cities, for ways to bring people together that is both deeply personal and individual, and at the same time communal and shared. And I like breaking down the boundaries that separate us. When we see something that is captivating as an individual, and all the people around us are also having that experience, I find the barriers break down. With my own work, I will often go and observe anonymously and listen to what people are saying. And I hear complete strangers start to talk to each other about what it is and what they think it is. And it begins a dialogue that breaks down the barriers that often separate us, especially in cities. I'm always responding to sight, what it feels like, what a place needs to sort of breathe a new life. I'm interested in places where we think we already know them and shaking that up a bit. And I look into the history of a place, its cultural history, its geographic history, its political history, and I like to play off that. For me, work is successful if it creates in you a desire to see and experience it, and at the same time satisfies that desire. One of my favorite projects was in London. The mayor let us shut down the busiest intersection in London and made the tube station exit only so people could take over the street again and interact with the color of my sculpture by selecting a color that represented their mood. And in real time, it was this virtual experience and a physical experience at the same time. And people started lying down on the cold asphalt and just watching it unfold. So you're expressing yourself individually, but you're seeing yourself as part of this larger whole as it unfolds.